This is our 1990 Porsche 944 S2 Cab. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So it's one of just about 1,800 US market 944 S2 cabs. Big 3-liter 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated. Car is a real blast to drive. At 56,000 miles, I believe it was, in 1998, the original owner had Koni yellow adjustables, shocks and struts, front and rear installed, which is great in terms of drivability. Car's handling is excellent. The ride quality is very, very good. Car is really just an awesome driver. It's Glacier Metallic is the paint. Over a marine blue leatherette. Really, really nice combo. You can see it's got the dark blue top as well. Put a paint gauge on every panel. Found readings of 5.5 to 7.5 throughout, which is indicative of one respray. They did a very nice job though. Paint largely appears as factory. There was one little spot on the nose of orange peel. Don't be concerned about the car, seeming to smoke excessively. It's 20 degrees out in Chicago. Car runs extremely well. Lights and signals are all functional. The glass is all clear and crack free. Powered top functions as it should. Mental note for the buyer: key has to be in the number 1 position, so dash light's not quite on yet for the key for the powered top to work. Kind of threw me off first time, but does work. All is well there. Weather stripping is excellent throughout. Clearly a nicely maintained car. Porsche Design 90 wheels are in nice shape, though you can see that passenger front is missing the Porsche crest on the center cap. Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons are in very nice shape. These are all the blemishes close up. You can see some chips just around the headlight. Really, really light ding there. Yeah, there you can see it, to the outside of the driver headlight. As all these cars do, the clear rock guards are spiderwebbed. You can see there's a light scratch there on the driver front fender. And then again, the rock guard on the driver rear quarter. You can see a little ding there, another one farther back. Little garage bumps. What's so cool about this car is it has the documentation with it. It's got the original manual. You can see those 2 punctures there, repaired with a color match patch, but has the original maintenance booklet with it, and it is stamped at the same Cincinnati dealer all the way from new through 2004 and 96,000 miles. Car has just under 110 now. So it's actually been dealer service and stamped just about all the way from new. Clean CarFax. Believe it is a 4-owner car. Looks like it was with the original owner for quite a while, and then in the last couple of years traded hands a few times. You can see there just another little ding on the passenger front fender. Onto the interior. Very, very nice. Both front seats are powered. Dash top very nice, no cracks, warping, discoloring, nothing like that. Carpet's excellent throughout, no discoloring at all. Very, very nice. Car will also come with the original dark blue Porsche floor mats, front and rear, which are in nice shape as well. Sony radio is functional, CD, AM, FM. The fan and heater functional. Air conditioning is still R12, has not been converted, so while the compressor kicks on, it does not blow cold. Both door panels are nice with no kicked open markings. The sills are clean. That little wood-looking face on the dash around the glove box isn't super pretty. The cigarette lighter is missing. Car doesn't smell at all. I don't think it was ever owned by a smoker. Seats are excellent. Consistent with a 30-year-old, very well-maintained car. Passenger, very, very nice. Love the color. The driver's side, just light wear on the driver's outer bolster. Typical stuff, crease marks, nothing significant. No punctures or scuffs, nothing like that. Seats are powered and functional. Rear seat does fold down, and they're in very nice shape. Pretty impressive amount of cargo space for a, sports car convertible. That's what's so cool about these cars. Make an excellent daily, even though they are a proper sports car. Check out the listing on our site for more detail. The service history is written up in there. Very clean under the hood. Factory stickers all still in place. Lots of little dabs of red and blue factory paint. Very, very nice.